YouTube video idea. The Two Kingdoms. A Prince's Secret Discovery Concept. A cinematic storytelling video about a powerful and ruthless king who rules with fear. But his son, the prince, discovers another peaceful kingdom where people live happily. The prince must decide between loyalty to his father or bringing change to his own land. Title ideas. The Prince's Secret. A Tale of Two Kingdoms. The Clever King and the Hidden Kingdom. A prince's discovery that changed everything. Video structure. Dramatic narration. Once upon a time, there was a king feared by all, but one prince would uncover a secret that would change everything. Quick montage of the king's rule vs. the peaceful kingdom. Showcase how the king controls his people with clever tactics. The prince begins to question his father's methods. The prince secretly ventures outside his kingdom. He finds a hidden kingdom where people live freely and happily. The prince must choose, bring change to his kingdom or stay silent. He gathers allies and challenges his father's rule. The king faces consequences, but the story ends with peace. The prince unites both kingdoms, creating a better future. This story-driven video can be animated, narrated with visuals, or even acted out as a short film. Let me know if you want a script.